can see by the title, today we're talking about things that I liked in, I'm not gonna say previous month because I wasn't posting any videos lately, so there's a lot of things that I loved since I filmed one of the favorites video. But anyhow, let's stop rambling and let's get going. So the first item that I wanted to talk to you about is Laneige Special Care Eye Sleeping Mask. I love this thing. It lasts for a long time. You can use it as a night cream as well, or as a mask. I mean, you leave it overnight, so it's pretty much the similar thing. I love the ceramic tape. It gives you cooling effect, which is always a good thing, and it applies the product much better, much evenly, and it's just, I love this brand very much. There's actually another thing on this list from this brand. Have been using it for months now. I love it. I don't use it every night. I put it maybe once or twice a week. It depends if I think that my under eye needs it, and I have big bags under my eyes, so it definitely my eyes definitely need things like this. It depuffs tired looking eyes, so it does help with bags under eyes. Mine are genetics, but it does help. It's for all skin types. It deeply hydrates your under eyes, so definitely recommend this product. And while we on Laneige, I have another product. It's Leave-On Lip Mask. I love it. It's amazing. It's enriched with vitamin C and antioxidant. It leaves your lips smooth and soft. It's just beautiful. The only thing, I don't like lip balms or anything this texture in the pods, because then I have to stick my fingers in it. I don't like that part, but other than that, this is amazing product. Next on my list is Erno Laszlo Pore Cleansing Clay Mask. I love it. It's actually pink, and it clears your pores. But it's not as a clay mask. It's not drying. It makes your skin nourished and still hydrated and clean and nice. And it's pink. Did I mention it's pink? I love this brand. I'm surprised that this brand is not ultra like out there, because Erno Laszlo was actually a skincare brand for majority of old Hollywood or beauty style icons like Jackie Kennedy, Marilyn Monroe, Audrey Hepburn, just to name a few. But yeah, so their products, they are on the pricier side, but they're really good. Another brand that I absolutely love is Briogeo. I can never pronounce this name. Briogeo. I can never pronounce the name properly, especially not on camera for some reason. It's Farewell Fritz leave-in conditioner. I love this stuff. This bottle is empty. I have in the drawer another bottle ready to go. I have been using this for probably 3 years now, and I absolutely love it. It locks in moisture, it hydrates your hair, it just makes it nice and soft, and it smells beautifully, so you don't it's very lightweight, so you don't have that feeling that you have 10 billion products in your hair. So it's perfect product. Like I mentioned, I have been using this for almost 3 years now, and I will be continuing using this. So I think I even recommended this in one of my old favorites videos, so there you go. I really do recommend things in these kind of videos, things that I actually use, that I use constantly. So yes, I apologize if you hear dogs. There's something going on outside apparently. Anyhow, the newer product in my beauty regimen, or on this list, the newest product that I'm using just a couple of months, is this Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. It protects hair from heat when you're using your heat tools, straightener, blow dryer, you know what I mean, and helps with breakage, just nourish your hair, as you know, Aveda is vegan friendly, so no bad things inside. Everything is cruelty free and just great. I mean, Aveda has amazing products, and I can definitely recommend this one. It's just amazing, and as the name said, is for daily use, so you can use it every day. You just need to use a just small amount, goes very long way. The last item on this list that I want to talk to you about is this book, The Third Door by Alex Banayan. I hope I pronounced his last name right. This book is I'm highly recommending this book. It says, sorry, I have to put my... The wild quest to uncover how the world's most successful people launch their careers. So, as you can see by that, and how I understood it, is that he interviewed like successful people, and like put their tidbits inside and whatnot, which there are, don't get me wrong, but what I like this book about is his actual journey and how he developed the theory of the third door. I'm not gonna reveal what's the theory, you have to read the book, but what I love about this book is it's actually his story, from when he got the idea first to all the struggles, all the ups and downs and swirls through that journey. He genuinely describes his mistakes, even some things that at that particular moment he didn't know that they were mistakes, but later on he kind of got it. He ended up being blacklisted by Warren Buffett. It's a funny story. How many no's he got, how his internal fight and struggle to get through all the negatives, all the negative responses, and how he changed his way to get to where he wanted to be, to get to those interviews. He did interview Bill Gates. He did interview a lot of big names on his list. He added some he still got no, but the whole journey, whole story is amazing. Not because it's like other self-help books where the people are interviewing successful people and they give you their like advice or quotes or whatnot. It's actually his story, and you see the struggles, and he honestly talks. It's just like every day that we, pretty much everyone in their daily lives, if we have any goals in our lives, we question ourselves, and this book just gives you hope not to give up, not to stop dreaming, just believe in yourself and look outside of the box and try to find different way to get to where you want to go. Because so yeah, please, if you should definitely read this book. It's inspiring story of belief and success and going forward. And of course, just when I wanted to finish, my battery had to die. Anyhow, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, please do. I would love to have you in my YouTube family. And please don't forget to comment down below what's your favorite product. Can you recommend something for me to try? Some book to read? I would love to hear from you. So I hope to see you all next Thursday, and bye for now.